all my Hourglass queens. This video is gonna be for you guys. We're gonna dive into all the tips and tricks to enhance your natural curves so you can feel confident, feel professional. I know sometimes with the Hourglass body shape, you feel like you might have too many curves and maybe you wanna tone it down or vice versa. So we're gonna dive into every angle of this so you have the ultimate guide to addressing your Hourglass body shape. The three kind of points for this body are shoulders, waist, and hips. So with this body type, you usually do get pretty lucky with everything being proportioned out. So usually you have just a normal shoulder, a pretty full bust, usually a smaller defined waist, and then a little bit of a wider hip. Just think about it obviously as Hourglass, wide up top, small waist, and some curves on bottom. I've heard sometimes people think this is the ideal body shape, so we're just gonna lean into that so you know how to dress that, whether you want to tone your curves down a little bit or really highlight them. These 7 style tips have helped many women achieve balance in their style when getting dressed. We're gonna jump into the don'ts, things that we typically want to avoid with this Hourglass body shape. Since usually these body types are naturally curvy and a lot of women want to shy away from that, especially maybe in the workplace or things like that, they tend to wear super baggy oversized. I know it's in style, but with this body type, wearing super baggy t-shirts, blouses, and then pairing it with a really baggy trouser or skirt, it's just really not doing anything for your shape. You're losing basically everything and it can make you end up looking super boxy, which we do want to avoid. You want to avoid high necklines with this body type. It's just really closing off the body. So think like turtlenecks or just your traditional like high neck shirt. Those aren't really gonna do anything for you. It's just gonna close off your body and really hide those curves. Also, we're gonna want to avoid heavy prints and ruffling around the chest area, just because that is usually one of the more wider parts of the body on this style of body. We just don't wanna add too much. So if you feel like you wanna tone down your curves a little bit, we wouldn't wanna add anything with super ruffles or anything just like that's gonna make that the focal point if you're trying to tone that down. Now we're gonna jump into what you do wanna do and things that are gonna highlight your body. Generally with this body type, you can get away with most styles just because you're proportioned in your shoulders, hips, and waist, but some things that are a little bit more flattering, things that I have personally seen women put on with this body type that really make them feel confident. Usually that's gonna be round necklines, V neckline, something with a deep V, like even if that's a dress, something that's just bringing in more shape. So those styles of necklines are really flattering on this body type. Pants wise, a true straight leg pant or trouser looks great on this body type because you're gonna keep it more fitted around your waist and a little bit of your hips, and then it just tapers down into a really nice like tailored fitted pant, and it just looks like it was made for your body. So that's basically what we're trying to do with these styles. You want to find things that are fitted but not too tight, not too baggy, so it just looks like it was made for your body, so you can show off your curves a little bit and still keep it professional or whatever you're trying to achieve. It's just that nice middle point because it looks like it was tailored. And also with this, the waist is one of the highlights of this body. Usually you have a smaller waist, a toned waist, so you can really play into this with a waist tie, a belt, a high-waisted pant with a belt. Since you're already pretty balanced, you generally can kind of wear what you want, but you definitely will want to highlight your waist. Belts, wrap dresses look really great on this style, high-waisted things, a skirt with a slit. So anything that kind of just shows off the curves you have. My biggest tip is just keep it tailored and fitted to your body. So avoid super oversized and super fitted, really tight things. There's so many celebs with this body type, Kylie Jenner, Beyonce, like just between those two, if you see any of their styles they ever wear, they're always just showing off their figure, but not like an in your face way. It's kind of just like, dang, like I wanna like put that on and look like that. It's because the clothes and the style tips they're following, they are fitted to their body, flattering. They're usually showing off their waist. They usually rock like that deep V-neck when they're wearing a dress. So they're just really playing with proportions and balance, but they're just highlighting their best features. And the clothes literally look like they're made for their body. They're not too oversized and not too cropped. They have all the proportions, they're just dressing for their body type and highlighting their best features. Kylie Jenner slays the fashion game, and you can too. She has the classic Hourglass body style. Celebs like Beyonce, Marilyn Monroe also have this body type. So between those three, if you follow these tips, you're gonna be looking like a curvy goddess. The tips that they generally follow, they highlight all of their best features, so shoulders, waist, and hips. The biggest tip I can give is finding clothes that are fitted to your body type. So you don't want to do anything super oversized that you're going to lose all your shape in, and you don't want to do anything that's super tight and it's just doing too much. You want to find that perfect balance that just highlights, like I said, your shoulders. It's usually tapered in the waist and then a little tapered through the hips, and then from there it can just be a little bit more of a relaxed fit. So whether that's pants, a dress, or anything like that, and you can kind of cater it. So if you're in a dress, you want to like do a belt or a tie and accentuate your waist. If it's a pant, you'll add a belt, just to kind of highlight those curves in your body. Hopefully these tips and tricks for the hourglass body shape really gave you some inspiration, and now you know what to reach for or go buy. So hopefully you have a few little outfit ideas, and once you put on that outfit, that really shows off your curves, because we love celebrating curvy bodies. Please DM us a photo of you on Instagram in your fire picture. I am super interactive on our Instagram, so I would love to see what you guys put together from these tips and tricks. If you would love to get more style help, more tips and tricks that are personally catered to you, I also offer free styling through Bella Ella. So you can click this link and you'll book a style call with me, and we'll basically go over all your style goals. I'll build you out some lookbooks, and it's super fun. So hopefully I'll chat with you soon. If you're not sure about your body type, and maybe the one I just described sounds like it was you, but you're just a little bit unsure, we do have a free body shape calculator that I've made. It'll go through each of the body types, give you really sure specifics so you can know your body type 100% from that calculator.